Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we are going to be really focused here, friends, on a potentially, and I do think there's a high potential at this point, of a high impact winter storm crossing the area. We get rain first, temperatures in the 40s. It always seems like our really big storms start with rain. This one's going to start with rain. Then that rain will change to snow and ice here in northern Ohio. Huge impacts across the area Wednesday. We have a really difficult day coming on Thursday, and then Friday it looks like it's going to be moving out. So I showed you this before, but just to go over it again, Tuesday is a day when we are going to be cleaning up, and we have rain moving in Tuesday night. Wednesday, we have rain in the area, and then that rain will slowly be changing to snow as Wednesday goes on. The lakeshore areas will have predominantly snow by the end of the day on Wednesday. There's a layer of ice and mix farther south, and then way south, we're probably still dealing with rain. But then another surge comes in, and this is the real deal breaker with this storm system. It's this second kick of energy, second kick of moisture that's going to lock the snow and the ice in place on Thursday before finally departing on Friday. We have to wait for that to get by before we can finally call this one over. So where we get all snow, we're going to have a lot. We're talking well over a foot, possibly over 2 feet of snow. I know that sounds surprising, but we are looking at a huge storm here, friends. We also have the potential for crippling ice in parts of northeast Ohio. Where we have the ice, we'll have less snow, but then more snow is going to be piling on top of that. Where you see the pink, that includes Mansfield, Ashland, Medina, Worcester, Akron, Kent, Ravenna, on over into the Cortland area. That's where that zone sets up, where we're going to have ice and snow. If it moves north or south, which it very much could do, we still have high impacts from this storm system. So let's talk about those high impacts, because they are going to be significant. Travel, road travel is going to be very difficult. Very difficult, especially Thursday. Power outages are going to be an issue, especially where that ice comes in. Lots of school closings expected Thursday and Friday. Air travel is also going to be a problem. The good news is we have 2 days to get ready for it. So here's what you need to do. We have to dig out from the storm that we just had. You need to adjust your plans for Thursday and Friday and stock up and pack in. You got 2 days to get ready, and Jason's going to tell you what's happening in the next 2 days.
Absolutely, Beth. That is great information. We want to start out by taking a look at the satellite and radar right now. It doesn't look too menacing here, but thank our lucky stars that we have high pressure nearby. This is that river stream of moisture that's going to take this storm system right on into the Buckeye State. 2 areas of low pressures, one in the Four Corners region, one in the Pacific North and West, and this is the one that we're going to be watching. But as Beth said, again, 2 days to prepare. Later on tonight, temperatures falling again, likely being a bit more on the chilly side. Your National Design Mart forecast will show that we do have widespread cloud cover overnight tonight, near single-digit temperatures. But take a look at this. Your southerly moisture, your southerly stream of winds coming on in is going to really elevate our temperatures for our Monday, coming very, very close to the freezing mark for tomorrow. More sunshine moving back in, which is great news for us, for you to get out and you can prepare for the impacts that are to come. So pay close attention to the forecast over the next 24 to 36 hours and make yourselves a plan. It is going to be absolutely necessary for you. Your Union Home Mortgage 7-day outlook, again, showing that we have sun and clouds for our Monday, high temperatures in the low 30s, mid 40s. Everything that we have on the ground, we cannot forget, that is going to be melting. By Wednesday, we start to get the rain moving back in, and then that mix of precipitation will be occurring as well. This is what's going to be very treacherous for us on Wednesday. The way we start Wednesday is not going to be the way that we end Wednesday. Once that frontal system wraps its way around, we'll have falling temperatures, widespread snowfall expected by Thursday. It's not until Friday that we start to clear things out with temperatures stuck into the teens. Saturday and Sunday, that is the silver lining for us as we start to get some of that activity moving on out, more sunshine moving back in, but dangerously cold, likely having surface temperatures, at least for us here in Cleveland, in the negative. So guys, again, over the next 2 days, we have that time frame to prepare for what is to come.